If you're applying for a postgraduate program in the UK, whether you're going for a research-based master's degree or a full-grown PhD, writing a research proposal is likely going to be part of the admission requirement. But don't let the word research proposal intimidate you. I'm here to break it down step by step so that you can craft a compelling, well-structured proposal that stands out. Hello and welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time here, we're all about guiding students like you through the exciting and sometimes overwhelming journey of university admissions. And today we're exploring research proposals for UK university admissions. So let's get started. All right, so first thing first, why do universities ask for a research proposal? Is it just extra paperwork? Not at all. A research proposal is your academic pitch. It's your opportunity to show the admissions committee that you've thought deeply about your topic. You understand the existing research in the field, and you've got a clear plan for how you'll contribute something new. It's also how universities decide if they have the resources like faculty expertise or lab facilities to support your work. Essentially, your proposal answers two questions. Does this student have the potential to conduct meaningful research? And can we support this project? So before you write a single word, remind yourself that this isn't just a formality. It's a showcase of your passion and potential. Let's talk about the structure. A strong research proposal has clear, distinct sections, and sticking to this format will not only help you organize your thoughts, but also make a good impression on the committee. Here's how to structure it. Start with a title. Your title should be clear and concise. For instance, instead of saying exploring climate change, you could say assessing the impact of climate change on small-scale fishers in Southeast Asia. See how that's specific and immediately tells the reader what your research is about. Next, the introduction. This is where you outline your research question and explain its importance. Why does your topic matter? What gap in the current research are you addressing? Keep it engaging but focused. Then the literature review. This is where you demonstrate your knowledge of the field, highlight key studies, show how they connect to your research, and explain what makes your work unique. Follow that with the methodology. How will you actually conduct your research? Will you use surveys, lab experiments, or archival analysis? Be as specific as possible here. Finally, wrap up with expected outcomes and references. What do you hope to discover? And don't forget to cite your sources properly. It shows professionalism. Here's a pro tip that many students overlook. Tailor your proposal to the university you're applying to. Look up your program's faculty members in their research areas. If a professor's work aligns with your topic, mention that in your proposal. For example, you could say something like, this research aligns with Professor Smith's work on renewable energy solutions. Also check if the university has any unique resources like specialized labs or libraries and include those in your methodology. Showing that you've done your homework goes a long way in improving you're a serious candidate. Now let's talk about how to actually write your proposal. Clarity is key here. Avoid overly technical jargon and aim for language that's accessible to someone outside your field. For example, instead of saying this research will employ a mixed methods approach to ascertain the validity of longitudinal data, you can say, I'll use a combination of surveys and interviews to gather data over time. See the difference? Also, be concise. Many universities have word limits, and every word should add value. So, no fluff. Just focus on your ideas and how you plan to execute them. Once you've got your first draft, the real work begins, and that is revision. Take a break before revisiting your draft so you can look at it with fresh eyes. Then, ask someone you trust, maybe a professor or a mentor, to review it for you. They can catch gaps in your argument or areas where you could clarify your points. And don't forget to proofread. Spelling and grammar mistakes might seem minor, but they can leave a bad impression. If you're not confident in your editing skills, consider using a tool online, or you can also use our professional proofreading services, or if you need any support in your postgraduate application, you can always book an initial discovery call. You can find the details in our description below. And that is it, your guide to writing a research proposal for UK postgraduate programs. Remember, this document isn't just about your research. It's about showing that you're ready to take on the challenge of postgraduate study. Take your time, follow the structure, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on university applications. And in the comments, let me know what your research topic is. We'd love to hear about it and answer any questions you might have about your proposal. Thank you, and see you in our next video.